Yeah, I know that most people will definitely miss me. Everyone would miss me now. Remember, this channel is all about. So I've been away. Before that, remember, this channel is all about forex trading and also, you know, Web3 projects. So I've been a while. It's been a while though. Yeah, I've been away doing some things, working out some school stuffs, and yeah. So well, I would say school is great. Yeah, school has been great, and it has been going pretty well. Uh, it has been going pretty well for me. Why are you here? Mm, sorry for this. Yeah, so it has been going pretty well for me, and today we are going to talk about GDP USD. Okay, let me just show you the screen already. Um, I'm actually in a trade right now, so GDP USD. Actually, this morning, so it's kind of like yeah, this is the trade that I'm in. It's quite okay though. So I just like made a little bit of analysis this morning. I will be going to the analysis later on. So I'm just like, okay, this where GDP USD is, and this where I'm wanting. I'm looking at the markets to be. Right here. Yeah. So this is where I'm taking the markets from this point, taking it all the way here. It's maybe this place here. But if I'm still seeing some form of push up, I'm just gonna leave it till it runs into our take profit. Now our take profit is what's it? I think $15 or so. Yeah, take profit is $15, and we'll just see how that plays out. As always, it will play out very well, and we'll get to witness the beautiful things about trading. So yeah, so this is a trade. Is a trade right there. So you could actually see two more positions open for a sell back down. As if if it goes according to what I've actually analyzed. You can actually see I use 0. This is the date. Yeah, I opened it this morning. Yeah, actually got that me this morning, but I've actually left this stop there over some time. So you can actually see I use 0.01. That's like a cent. Aim, and it's quite crazy, aiming for $15 profits. Wow, crazy stuff. And my stop loss is actually 30 pips. Yeah, my stop loss is 30 pips, like 30.3. So I'm losing $3 if it goes against me, which I'm saying you are not going against me. We are going to milk this market today. Yeah, we're going to milk the markets today. Like, yeah. So what again? So now let me just move into how I spotted the trade. Now let me tell you how I spotted the trade. It was shown to me in a dream. I know you guys don't believe it, right? But it was shown to me like even it wasn't a dream, but I just kind of like sitting down this morning and I was just like imagining the charts because that's what I do. I just imagine the charts. I've actually pictured where everything is like this other trade that I left that hasn't been that I'm waiting for to get tapped in back right back in. I just imagine the trade and I noticed something that okay, there's a kind of huge gap before it gets to this place that I'm actually waiting to sell back down to. So I just okay fine now let me now analyze it on the 15-minute time frame and see how I can actually jump in to ride it to where I wanted to sell the stuff. So I just, okay, let's just do it. Let's give this little project a go. And that's how we started. That's how I started. And not quite long, the market tapped me in. So I'm still waiting for it though. My chart has been always been clean. I really don't have any stuff like, oh, this one, that one. My chart's always clean, and it's, I want to chart is clean. It gives you this confidence that you will be able to like scale and understand where those resistance are more. Yeah, that's what most people don't understand. They think that your chart needs to be all this, that you need to draw a line, you need to draw a circle, you need to draw, no. But once you just understand your fundamentals, now one thing I do tell people is that make sure you know your fundamentals. Like number one fundamental you should know is your market structure. Now once you know this, that's where most people do get it wrong. Once you know your market structure, markets, you won't be afraid to even leave. Like you actually saw me, I just left this one there for over, I think it's over a week now. It was just this morning. I just imagine, okay, the market is this, the market is that. I'm just waiting for the US Open to see how the market will behave, because I want the market to actually bust right up. Let me just show you guys. This is what I'm expecting. I want it to be like this from the US Open, and I think that should be everything about today's market. Once it does that for me, I am out of the market, because after it does this, the market will likely come. Let's just say it's going to, yeah, it always does. It's going to reverse back down like this. It will reverse back down, and it may actually even come beyond here and take me out. But for now, I know that the market and what everything that is happening is this. This is what is going to happen. Yeah. Okay. So where are we? Where are we? Where are we? So I think I should go into my trading view and just show you guys how I'm planning and how I actually took the trade for it to be like this. So let's go into a trading view. Wow. Trading view, trading view, trading view. Where are you? Where are you? Yeah, trading view. I think I should turn on my do not disturb, because it's quite BNB. Yeah. Okay, so now here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Hi guys, thanks for joining. Now if you like my content and if you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Now share this page to different people across the world. Now I'm teaching everyone how to trade. If you love trading, not I'm not really teaching, I'm just showing you what I'm seeing in the market, and who knows, you could actually, this is why people don't usually understand. You could trade from me, or you could actually trade against what I'm trading. That's everything. Now you could trade against me, and you could also follow me in my trade. I'm not some kind of guru out there that says, oh, trade like this. If you follow my pattern, it's going to give you $100, 200. Nah, my own is you could actually trade against me. I'm in a buy position right now. You could actually do a sell position, depending on what you see in the market. If I'm wrong, fine. If you are right, fine. The market doesn't need everyone to be, you don't need to be gurus to know how to trade the forex market. I'm just giving you my own insight of how I'm seeing the market and how the market is treating me so far. Yeah. So let's go. Now this is how I actually took this morning trade. I saw this in my daily. Now I just like, okay. Now all these lines that you're seeing, all those lines are like forms of resistance, and where I'm expecting to enter, like this one here. This line has actually been breached already. It took me in, and that is what you're actually seeing right here. This is the trade you are seeing right here. This trade here, because market took me in the trade. That is that. Sorry for that. That is the line. Yeah. So what again we should be looking at now? These two lines here. These two lines here are the next line. Are those two other ones that I'm still expecting my the price to go up to, sell back down, like when there's not much supply. Now the demand, they will now supply it because the demand is high, then they will now supply it back down. So I'm actually using all those concepts, but I have a way of trading it. Yeah. So if all those things doesn't align together with my Fibonacci, my support and resistance, my SMC doesn't align to what I'm seeing, I won't even bother to even take any trade at all. Yeah, I won't take any trade at all. So most people don't know that. Yeah. So you don't really need to be a guru in forex trading. You just need to know your fundamentals, your how will I put it, your market structure, your risk management, and be patient. Yeah. And the overall one is your risk management. Yeah. Then you can, like, if you like, you can combine so many strategies together just to make your own strategies, just to make your own points. No, it doesn't matter. So now let me just give you, I'm talking too much, right? So let me just take it down to the, most people actually know this already, to the 15 minutes. Okay, so this is the 15 minutes. What am I doing? So this is the 15 minute, right? Yeah. So this is the 15-minute time. Here's a 15-minute time. Now what I did was I put a kind of like a marker. Look at this, my arrow here. Now look at the down parts of your screen. You actually see it. That's how I made the, that's how I actually made the live. That's why I make the live portrait. Is it portrait or landscape? Yeah, portrait. So now just look at this stuff here. You can actually see where my line falls at. Say Tuesday, 02 December 25. That's 2025. We don't know. So we're in the second day of December, and the time here is 1 o'clock, like 1 p.m. I don't know where, if how you guys do it over there, but just make sure that after the Asian opens, just wait for like 1 p.m. Yeah, then start marking out those levels. And this is the 1 p.m. level. You can actually see what they did. Then after the 1 p.m., they moved up to 4. Now the 4 p.m. was the highest that the trend reached. Was the highest down. You can actually see then they came back ranging. Then this morning they came back down to actually just say liquidate. I won't say liquidate. Let's just say that's the way the market behaves. To give us more room, to give us more, now this place here, to give us more room for entries, like more people to enter. And if you, yeah, you sold, you bought to make it up, they would have actually, your stop loss would have been taken out and 10 o'clock. That's this morning. I'm actually in 10 o'clock Nigerian time. You would have been out of the market by that time. Yeah, so that's where the market took me in, and this is where we are. So that's what I did. I just analyzed from 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. Then just watch how the market plays out. Now, if they have actually made a kind of a run, a buy run from here, now taking these guys up. Now look at where my arrow is going. Taking this guy up from here, I should have entered right about this place, and I should have entered right about this place here. enter right about here, maybe somewhere there or here. Should have entered right about here. Then look for an entry that will take this guy from here back down. Yeah, back down there, somewhere like that. So that's everything I'm actually seeing. And who knows, I will come back to actually check the market again, since my trade is actually on. Most times I do forget those trades. So and if it plays out well, wow, good. If it doesn't, good. So see you guys in the next one. Yeah, Anitech always peace out, and love you. And from this one, we'll be doing a kind of like a donation. I don't know. Yeah, a donation. I'm trying to get a new laptop, but things are quite fucking difficult, bro. Yeah. So who knows? Maybe the next one. And who knows? I can actually even use this trade to actually get the laptop I'm actually wanting. Yeah. So it's gonna take out, guys. So catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and tell your friends, tell everyone who loves forex trading, who loves Web3 projects, that you have a guy, you know a guy that can, that you should follow. Yeah. See you guys in the next one. And